Hello and welcome to another episode of the iNet Enterprise Tech Talk Show. I am your host and CEO of iNet Enterprises. My name is Jasper, and today we are going to be talking about another tech tip tutorial for beginners. And today it's going to be Google Sheets. Now, if you don't know what Google Sheets is basically the free version, the free and web-based version, cloud-based version of Microsoft Office Excel. Now, without further ado, I'm going to show you how to get into it and right after the intro. All right, cool. So one of the best ways to access Google Sheets is two ways. You could go sheets.google.com, or my favorite, on your main Google homepage where you're signed into, you're going to hit these 9 dots. With all the Google Suite applications, you got your Gmail, your Drive. You can go into Drive if you want, but I want to be more specific, so I'm going to go into Sheets. When you go into Google Sheets, you're going to see all the files that you have. But for the sake of starting a new one, we're going to go to blank with a plus sign. So as you can see, this is the concept of Google Sheets. Google Sheets have your tabs, your toolbars. You have your undo, your redo, your print, your format painter. You got the $, the percentage, decimal points, your bold, italicize, underline, highlight color. The list goes on. Now you got this section and this other area of the toolbar. You have the file, edit, view, insert, format, data, tools, extension, help. Basically, all of this is just the same as this, but with a few added extra additional features. Now, why people are slowly gravitating to Google Sheets, to be honest with you, is the power of the autosave. Because as you could see right off the bat, if you've used Microsoft Excel, you don't see any save anywhere because it's web-based. It saves on the spot. So for example, when you want to change the title of your document, you go simply up here where it says Untitled Spreadsheet. You're going to simply click on You're going to simply click on it and hit and edit what you want it to be. So for this sake, we're going to just say Google Sheets Training. And you're going to notice right here next to this folder is going to start to say save or saving. Now, also the biggest power of this as well is you can share this document to your people. You can control it into who can view it, who can edit it. This is really a good feature of Google Sheets and the whole Google Drive applications. Now, you're looking at these individuals. Like I said, if you're not familiar with Spreadsheets, that's fine. I'm going to just give you an easy rundown of a better way to understand it. These individual boxes are called cells. Cells is what help make the information seem more organized and presentable. You can enter this in two ways. You can click on the individual cell. So for example, column A2. So the section will be A2. And you can actually enter your information here and it will generate here itself. Or you can do it in here and type it in here as well. The biggest thing with cell, a lot of people get frustrated at is, let's say there's some information right in here and you missed something and you want to edit it. A lot of people tend to just simply go onto the cell and start typing. As you could see, that automatically erases what was in the cell prior. So your best way to really do this is you're going to double click. Make sure you see the cursor. Take your time and make sure you have it right. And of course you could click out of it and it automatically saves. So let's just say hello. Right. Let's see. Hello, good day. Now, the biggest perk of this, of course, you can adjust the columns. You go to the right side of each column. You simply just drag out, make it real nice, easy money. Same concept with the rows. You simply go, drag out, easy money. Now, what if you wanted to format everything? You can easily click on the left hand corner and simply adjust the one section. And everyone else gets adjusted. It's pretty neat. You can do for the column as well. As you can see, pretty neat. Now, there's so much more I want to get into. As you can see, there's different sheets. What happens, you can easily add more sheets into this, and this Google Sheet, even though it's still Google Sheet, it'll be called a workbook. With the workbook, which we'll get into future videos, you'll see the power of a workbook and the different sheets under the same workbook. But that's enough about that. I literally just wanted to talk through the very core basics of using Google Docs. So with that being said, like I said, I plan to keep it very short, just warming you guys up for what's to come. And yeah, definitely thank you for your time to view into this. Be sure to be on the lookout for Google Sheets trainings, 101. If you have any questions, you want to get in touch, all the contact information is going to be shown below. And definitely this is a doozy. Trust me, it's going to be good. I think you're really going to enjoy this one. With that being said, like I said, thanks again for tuning in. Be sure to be on the lookout every Thursday. Be sure to like and share, follow, subscribe. And yeah, let's get involved. Thank y'all for everything, and stay blessed.